I used to ride an elephant to school and I have a pet lion.
Misika, can you speak Bahasa?
Little.
So, where are you guys from?
I'm from Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe?
Yes.
You?
I'm from here.
Indonesia?
Yes, I'm from Indonesia.
Like a fun fact that people don't usually know.
I can tell you guys I used to ride an elephant to school and I have a pet lion.
Wow.
Ride elephants to school
Yes.
in Zimbabwe.
Yes.
All people like that.
A couple. Some.
And do you really have a pet lion?
Yes. His name's Jerry. You guys should visit and see the pet lions and ride an elephant. It's a very nice country.
What's the capital city of Zimbabwe?
Harare.
What language do you guys speak?
There's many Shona and the Bele.
Can you
can
teach
say Siyabongas, thank you.
Siyabonga.
You can say Yebo to say hello.
Yabo. To people, Yabo.
Yeah. Yes.
Yabo. Sinabonga.
Yeah.
Thank you. What's your
Thank
name?
you, Christina.
Christina.
Yes.
Kakaknya?
Farah.
Farah. Okay. Sama kenal kak. Okay,
Thank
thank you.